So here's the view coming up into the 4104. This is a 1957, is that correct?
That's right.
And the conversion was done by an architect from Flint, Michigan. His last name was Nicola.
Yeah, Dale Nicola.
And this was done through the mid-80s. He finished, I think, in 1990. Is that what you said?
That's right.
And lots of beautiful, this is teak wood?
It's teak. It's 14 feet of straight grain teak for the cabinetry.
And all hidden hardware and nice leather. It's definitely high style 80s.
And the couches turn into beds. You can see how the quality of the cabinet making, hidden hinges, flush. This turns into a bed. Back here you have on one side, you have a full shower.
Okay.
On the other side is the head compartment. Is there a vacuum cleaner in the shower?
I didn't think so.
Okay, then come and then open that. There's your head compartment with Great Lakes etched into the window.
Well, that's a nice touch. It's like a porthole. You said he was into yachts, right?
Yeah.
A certain kind of yacht. And
Yep, he was.
nice walk room on each side of the bed, and you got a TV and
Full closet.
nice. Lots of real clean lines. And then still using the curves up here with this kind of surrounding the driver. It's a really neat compartment there for the driver. There's lots of little touches. Very nicely done conversion. Plenty of counter space, lots of cabinet space. All right, this is Frank driving his 4104. He's added his own little air assist clutch over there.
So my foot's on the clutch and I release it right here. Now I have control of the clutch. So I can engage it smoothly. Then I don't use the clutch. I've learned to
Just float the gears.
synchronize the gears.
Frank is 85 years old. He says he's going to be 86 in June.
I should start a senior citizen bus club.
You should.
I'm going to stop up here and have you adjust my mirror.
Okay.
I ran my mirror into the boat when I was putting it up on the ramps, and so it's pushed in. I'm going to stop up here. Can you turn this fan around, sir? Pull back. Wait 3 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds. The key is waiting. 3 to 5 seconds. Do it again up against the governor. Take the slack off. Put her in. I found that if I leave this, if I leave this valve turned off, it slowly applies pressure to the brake. So I leave the release valve is open, so it's slowly releasing air in the clutch. Hold on, I'm up against the governor. Well, not quite. I gotta run up against the governor. Go back, slider on it. Never use the clutch.
Yeah, that's good.
Then I have cruise control that nobody else has. Pull the trigger down. Then goes the accelerator pedal. Now we're in cruise control. And it steers like a sailboat because of all this speedway. I've gotten used to it. See all it is.
Yeah, we're
consuming 40 pounds of oil pressure. Coming up to a light, and I leave the transmission in gear and the clutch engaged. As I'm approaching the light and slowing down, I can shift into third at 16, 7 at 7, first at 2 miles per hour without using the clutch. Look at that, perfect.
yeah.
That's what I love. Got a good ride.
Not bad.
The thing though is the weight. It's hard to make yourself wait. Usually when you grind, that means you went too fast. Out of gear, wait. See now,
You weren't quite on the governor that time, I don't think.
I wasn't all the way up. Yeah, that's a challenge to start over. So I'm gonna see if I can get back in third. Yeah, back in third. But you're right, I didn't go up against the governor. I was in a hurry. That's the secret. You gotta be up against the governor. Now we're ready. Oh yeah. That's the one we love. Now put on the cruise control. And we're cruising. Watch out. Drop the pressure. Let's see if I can get it up. Third. There we go, we're in third. I had to feel it in. I don't have a tachometer. I don't know if I have time to look at a tachometer anyway.
Yeah.
And I like driving with the window open so I can hear the engine. That helps with the shifting. Perfect. Right in there.
fast we going right now? Your speedometer, does it work?
What'd you say?
Does your speedometer work?
No. I usually drive with
GPS? iPad?
GPS, but I don't have it today, so I know the speed I'm going this way.
Well, you're going as fast as the guy in front of you.
Feeling good, so I'm letting the traffic guide me. When I have my iPad up here, it gives me all that information.